Why you're not working? Okay, now it's working. Oh, it's not. It's not working. Gonna fix it. Oh, it's working now. Napahirapan pa ako. Pa-shout out, sexy ganda kay Oscar. Shout out Oscar Freddy Baltero ng Segeng ML. From Iloilo City. Hello! Shout out sa'yo, Oscar. Hi to our 300 viewers. Good evening, everyone. Please give me likes. Good evening. I'm going to put you here. Wait, I'm gonna fix my camera. Guess my stand it's broken. Can you see that one? That one, it's broken. Hi dear, I'm from Philippines. I'm from Cavite. No, it's not a body cam. It's a cam. It's a cell phone that I'm using to do live. What I mean, this one is broken. The phone stand with this one. It's broken. I don't know how to fix this. So here it should be like this. But this one, I don't know where should I put this one. I don't know how to fix this stand. That's why should be this one, but it's broken, so I don't have a choice. Can you see here? There's a lot of clothes that I need to fold. Yeah, I'm gonna fold everything here. And sud pa natin dyan. I have a lot of things. Oh. Put you here. Strawberry sa gabal sa akin. Ano? This one, is it labahan or no? Okay, no, it's not labahan. Gonna fold it. And then I have this one. This is cover for my fridge. Let's fold it. The design is very LB, but it's very mura lang. It's very cheap. And I'm gonna put it here. Here, I put my pillow, curtain, and bed cover. Ilan kaya? Hi to our 262 viewers. Okay, you're very cute. Thank you, Zara. Will you go?